Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord alternator. First, ensure your car is off and cool. Gather your tools, including a 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm socket set, a serpentine belt tool, and a new alternator. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. This crucial safety step protects you and your vehicle's electrical system. Now, let's find that alternator. With the battery disconnected, it's time to tackle the serpentine belt. Use your 14mm wrench or a specialized serpentine belt tool to release the tensioner. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, unplug the main electrical connector and any smaller wires attached to the alternator. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Now, carefully position your new alternator into the mounting bracket. It might be a snug fit, so take your time. Once aligned, reinsert and hand-tighten the mounting bolts. Then, use your wrench to fully tighten them, ensuring a secure fit. Reconnect all electrical wires and the main connector, making sure they click firmly into place. Double-check all connections for security. The final steps are crucial for success. Carefully route the serpentine belt back onto the new alternator pulley, ensuring it's correctly seated on all other pulleys. Once the belt is in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and check for proper charging system operation and any unusual noises. And for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.